How to add back button on any iPhone 2025. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to add a back button to your iPhone. Now keep in mind that you can simply go back by sliding, which is much easier than what I'm about to show you. But if you still want that back button, let's get started. First, open the Settings app. Go to the search bar. Search for Assistive Touch in the search bar. Tap on Assistive Touch and turn it on, once it is turned on. Now tap on Single Tap. You can select Home or App Switcher. If you select App Switcher, it will bring up the multitasking view. If you set it to Home, tapping the button will take you back to the home screen. There's no option to physically go back, you just need to swipe. The best thing about this feature is that it allows you to go back to the home screen easily. That's all for the video. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.